Let's review how to use the exhibits marking accordion on the Bates number page of Toolkit.law. Select the Tools section, then the Bates number page. Click on the Exhibits Marking Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can upload files and apply options such as image watermarking, pagination, labeling, stamping, or text watermarking. It ensures every page, label, and stamp aligns with professional standards, helping attorneys and other law professionals maintain credibility and consistency across their legal documentation. Use Save to store your updates, Clear to reset fields, or Undo and recycle to revise your work. You can also share, copy, and download the information. This integration helps legal professionals prepare polished, organized, and courtroom-ready exhibits while maintaining accuracy and consistency across all case files. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's exhibits marking accordion.